friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making this vegan meatballs in the air fryer. I got these meatless meatballs on Aldi, but other stores have different brands, and the principle of cooking them in the air fryer is the same. So they're frozen, no need to defrost, so they're frozen solid, and we're cooking them straight from frozen. All we need to do is just open the package. Take out the air fryer basket and add the vegan meatballs to the air fryer basket and just put them in a single layer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these meatballs. They're perfectly cooked, so nicely brown. They look amazing. Now to make sure the vegan meatballs are cooked all the way through, I do recommend the instant read thermometer. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, it's over 165, so I know they're cooked. Now different brands might have different sizes, so these vegan meatballs are pretty small, so 8 minutes was perfect for them. For the larger ones, it would need a few more minutes, so if they're not 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside, it means they might still be cold inside instead of fully reheated. So just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for an additional few minutes until it's fully cooked to your liking. Now take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at these vegan meatballs. They look so good. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So see, they're fully cooked inside. Let's try it. They're so delicious. Even people who like meat will love these meatballs. This is a great brand of vegan meatballs. You will love them. For lots of easy air fryer recipes, please check out my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!